So here we have it. This is Kim's van, all fitted out, being picked up today. Hope you like it, Kim. So we've got a massive under the bed storage area here, so it's open right across. Lots of steel in there to support everything above. Two nice big storage drawers. All right, this one's got the little insert drawer in there, so lots of space. And this one's got this Drifta table below, so everyone loves a Drifta table. You can also set up freestanding on the ground. All the units finished in a clear lacquer. Put a carpeted top on there so it keeps your mattress from sliding around. All the walls and the roof are of bare timber. Got for the groove panels on the wall and just the non-groove panels on the roof. Looking good, eh? Look at the bed area from the inside. So we've got the Drifta distribution panel here. A couple of internal drawers. These are ideal for clothes and things like that. We've got front access to the big space below the bed. That goes right out to outside. This cool little internal table you can sit at. And obviously that drops down and becomes a bed platform. The center pole removes. Overhead wall storage. These have just got drop down doors. Heaps of room in there. You've got the bare timber finished panels, and on the walls we did a groove panel, which is awesome. We're loving it. Internal kitchen unit. Got a little bench here. This folds away flat when you pack it up. Got a fridge there which slides out, easy to access. A couple of drawers here. A cutlery drawer, another drawer, and a slide out bin, which is pretty neat. So that's all built in. We've got the sink. There's 3 jerry cans tucked in here, and then in here we've got a sneaky little microwave tucked in. Alrighty. A bit of overhead storage above the cab, so drops down like that. Nice easy access. So just under the seat here we've got 125 amp hour lithium battery, the red arc DC to DC charger, a 240 volt charger as well, battery charger, a fuse block. That's powering the 1800 watt inverter, which is tucked in behind the kitchen, and the inverter will power the microwave. The fridge runs through 12 volt. Got internal strip light, some internal down lights, so these are dimmable down light. Work off this dimmable controller here, so different brightnesses. Sirocco wall fan. Got the Max Air roof vent, and there's also a 160 watt solar panel just on the roof up there.